In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contact in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to decide between removing a contact permanently or simply archiving it, all while avoiding common pitfalls. First, open your browser and go to Xero, then sign into the organization you want to work with. You'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for managing contacts. Make sure you have the right user permissions to edit contacts. If you can't see the options shown in this walkthrough, you may need your administrator to grant access. From the dashboard, look for the navigation menu and click Contacts. This takes you into the area where all customer and supplier profiles live. If you manage a lot of records, this page is where you'll search and organize them, so it's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct organization before making changes. Next, choose All Contacts. This view shows the complete list rather than a filtered subset like customers or suppliers only. Use the search bar or sorting options to quickly find the exact contact you want to remove. Take a moment here to verify you've selected the right record. Check the name, any reference details, and if needed, preview recent activity to avoid deleting the wrong contact. When you found the correct contact, open the menu for that contact, usually represented by an options icon on the right, and choose either Remove or Archive. Remove is a permanent deletion and is best for contacts that were added in error or duplicates that have no linked transactions. If the contact has invoices, bills, or history you need to keep, or if Xero prevents deletion because of existing activity, choose Archive instead. Archiving takes the contact out of your active lists so it won't appear in new transactions while preserving past records for reporting and audit trails. If the Remove option is unavailable, that's typically because the contact has associated transactions, credits, or balances. In that case, archiving is the safest route. Only proceed with permanent removal when you're certain there's no historical data tied to the contact that you might need later. Before you finish, double-check the confirmation message that appears to ensure you're applying the action to the intended contact. That quick review can save you time and prevent mistakes. And that's it. Go to Xero, open Contacts, view all contacts, then use the menu to remove or archive. With those steps, you'll keep your contact list accurate and clutter-free while maintaining the integrity of your records.